Subbies, welcome back again to another reaction video. So today's video I'm gonna do a reaction on Giselle, I don't know. So yep, so today I'm gonna do a reaction video of her and she's gonna sing Diamonds. So yeah. So for guys in this video, guys, so like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time when I post another video. Because I post reaction videos from Monday to Saturday, early in the morning, and original video on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 3 p.m. Yes. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So
Oh gosh, good luck, have fun.
oh, she's cool.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Britain's Got Talent.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Asanda.
Oh, Asanda.
And how old are you?
11.
11 years old. Wow.
She's very cute. Lovely.
Now, are you going to sing today?
Yes.
Who are the stars that you really look up to, you'd like to be like?
Beyonce.
I'm often compared to Beyonce.
I'm a little bit of a diva. I love listening to Beyonce and Rihanna. They're like my inspiration. Like Beyonce, when she's on stage, she brings such a fierce. Girlfriend, you know what I'm talking about? Like, please. Music is everything to me. When I'm singing, I just feel magic.
Asanda sings around the house. She just cannot stop. Even sometimes when she does her homework, it's a struggle because I have to tell her, listen, it's not time for singing now, Asanda. It's time to do your homework.
If I got the chance to sing in front of the Queen, maybe I could teach her how to have a little bit of an inner diva, and the Queen can teach me how to posh accent.
Take it away. Good luck.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Some moves, hasn't she? She's got some moves.
I see you, girl.
Shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive, like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sunlight. I saw the light inside your eyes. Tonight, beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. I too am so alive. We're beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh yeah, shine bright like a diamond. Oh. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
You know what?
Thank you.
I cannot believe my eyes. You know, when you are on the money, your voice is incredible. Thank you. I can hear you on a record already, and you're 11 years old. You were like a little diamond. I'm lost for words.
I mean, I kept laughing because you're just like, it's just ridiculous. And you've got all the moves.
Sandra, you know, we've had a lot of people your age over the years performing. I've never seen anyone who's got such amazing stage presence for an 11-year-old.
Thank you.
I mean, seriously
That's so
good.
beautiful for you to say.
And you have
But-
the best smile I have ever
Great.
seen.
Thank you.
We're going to vote. David, yes or no?
It was phenomenal. I'm going to say yes.
Thank you.
Good.
A massive yes from me.
Thank you.
Amanda?
It's a yes from me.
Cassandra? You have 4 big fat yeses.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come here. Well done. Where did that come from?
My parents.
Oh, Watson, you've got 2 very proud parents behind you. She made. He was nearly crying, your dad behind me. And quite rightly. Hold them back. Well, listen, how are you going to celebrate now?
Have McDonald's.
Wow. Good, right, girl. You shine like bright like a diamond. So, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that red button down there for me. Please subscribe. And get to 1K before my birthday. Yeah. Oh my god, that rhyme. 1K before my birthday. Okay. So yes, y'all, my phone's about to die, and I gotta go to get it charged. Yada yada yo. So if you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, so you get notified every time I post another video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye.